Against a backdrop of majestic, snow-capped mountains, a weathered warehouse bustles with the excitement of adventurers eager to embark on new journeys. Inside the warehouse, a treasure trove of meticulously arranged outdoor equipment awaits, promising adventure and resilience. Perched near the entrance, Pico, the vibrant green parrot, observes the flurry of activity with bright, curious eyes. Amidst the mountain warehouse, Pico, a colorful parrot, squawks above the aisles, adding to the lively chaos. "Boots! Don't forget Boots!" Pico screeches, his voice cutting through the chatter of browsing customers. A group of excited hikers rushes in, grabbing snacks and a tent, oblivious to Pico's helpful advice. Upon the mountain's peak, triumph turns to terror as a sudden snowstorm engulfs the group, their exposed skins stung by icy flakes. Hope flickers as they recall Pico's sage advice and the promise of warmth within their high-quality jackets. Wrapped in insulating layers, a collective sigh of relief escapes their lips as they fix their gaze on the distant warehouse, a tiny speck on the horizon, filled with gratitude for Pico.